Hello health champions, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to reveal the top 5 foods that can wreak havoc on your hormones and skin. Many of these foods are commonly consumed, but their negative effects on your body might surprise you. Stay tuned to learn what these foods are and why you should avoid them for better health and radiant skin. Hormones play a crucial role in regulating many bodily functions, including skin health. When your hormones are imbalanced, it can lead to a variety of skin issues such as acne, dryness, and premature aging. Let's dive into the foods that can negatively impact your hormones and skin. Sugar and refined carbs. The first culprit is sugar and refined carbohydrates. Consuming high amounts of sugar and refined carbs spikes insulin levels, which can lead to hormonal imbalances and increase androgen production. Androgens can cause your skin's oil glands to produce more oil, leading to clogged pores and acne. Examples: 1. Sugary snacks like candies and cookies. 2. White bread and pastries. 3. Sugary beverages like soda and sweetened coffee. Tips to avoid. Opt for whole grains instead of refined grains. Choose natural sweeteners like honey or stevia in moderation. Eat more fruits and vegetables to satisfy sweet cravings naturally. Dairy products. Next on the list are dairy products. Milk and other dairy products can contain hormones that disrupt your body's natural hormonal balance. These added hormones can increase oil production in the skin, leading to acne and other skin issues. Examples: 1. Milk. 2. Cheese. 3. Ice cream. Tips to avoid. Try plant-based milk alternatives like almond, soy, or oat milk. Choose dairy-free yogurt and cheese options. Limit your intake of dairy products, especially if you notice skin issues. Processed foods are another major offender. These foods often contain unhealthy fats, artificial ingredients, and preservatives that can disrupt your hormonal balance and damage your skin. The trans fats found in many processed foods can cause inflammation and oxidative stress, leading to skin problems. Examples: 1. Fast food. 2. Packaged snacks like chips and crackers. 3. Processed meats like hot dogs and sausages. Tips to avoid. Cook more meals at home using fresh ingredients. Read labels and choose products with fewer and more natural ingredients. Incorporate more whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins into your diet. Caffeine and alcohol. While a cup of coffee or a glass of wine might seem harmless, excessive consumption of caffeine and alcohol can disrupt your hormones and damage your skin. Caffeine can interfere with your sleep cycle, which is crucial for hormonal balance and skin repair. Alcohol can dehydrate your skin and affect liver function, leading to a buildup of toxins that can cause skin problems. Examples: 1. Coffee. 2. Energy drinks. 3. Alcoholic beverages. Tips to avoid. Limit your caffeine intake to 1 cup of coffee per day. Choose herbal teas as a caffeine-free alternative. Drink alcohol in moderation and stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Finally, we have soy products. Soy contains phytoestrogens, which can mimic estrogen in the body and disrupt your hormonal balance. While moderate soy consumption is generally safe, excessive intake can lead to issues, especially for individuals with hormonal imbalances. Examples: 1. Soy milk. 2. Tofu. 3. Soy-based protein bars. Tips to avoid. Limit your consumption of soy products, especially if you have a history of hormonal issues. Opt for other plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and quinoa. Check labels for hidden soy ingredients in processed foods. By avoiding these 5 foods, you can help maintain hormonal balance and keep your skin looking its best. Remember, a healthy diet is key to overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.